Yeah. Hey, what is up? Living off the edge like a barber lining up. Just another day.
Day 2 of North Luzon Loop with LBBC. Almusal namin for today is ahon ng Dalton Pass. 50 plus kilometers na climb. May tumira ng dalawa. Pasok kami ng tunnel. Woohoo! Maikli lang naman pala. Parang rock shed lang siya. Matarik na. Kasama pala kami naka Japan bike. Pero malakas talaga ito. Medyo maliwanag na. Para sa east, 21 kilometers. Another climb coming up. Total down na 7 climb ng today's ride. Target pala namin today is hanggang Rojas Isabela. Nasa 180 plus kilometers din. Majority ng climb dito sa Dalton Pass bago makarating na Santa Fe. Kunting regroup lang dun sa may nakita kaming hanging bridge. Nagpakita na uli ang climb assist. 14 kilometers na climb, 583 meters ang bubunuin. At may malalaking truck. Halos 3 kilometers to the top.
Shout out kay Sep Cycle Mine.
63 years old na nga po kayo?
63. Retired na.
Parang baliwala lang ahon. Another tunnel, slice, rock shed. Dito sa Dalton. Galing yung ino. Another art. Boundary na isiya sa ng Vizcaya. Sa boundary kami ng Nueva Ecija and Nueva Vizcaya. Welcome to Cagayan Valley. Balete Pass National Shrine. Ahon ng Balete National Shrine. 16%. Hanggang dito lang daw ang bike. Lakad, ahon. Japanese part. Peace forever.
Pwede kang bike din yan.
Hindi ko lang alam. Arco. In memory of the fallen. Kompleto na uli ang grupo. Lusong kami papuntang Santa Fe na Rizal. Welcome to Nueva Vizcaya. proper kami ng Santa Fe. Next stop namin target is Aritao, 21 kilometers away. We're approaching the Aritao town proper. Break time. Tried out na after namin mag-lunch dito sa may Aritao. 12:30, kainitan. Heading toward Bambang. Nag-merge na. Then, may dalawa pang bit-bit namin nag-address. Bambang. Nueva. Kaya 89 kilometers. Next town, Bayungbong. Ano po to? Santo Domingo. Hindi ka papagod ah. Halo-halo break muna. Find out na uli after mag-halo-halo. Ah, 123 kilometers na. San Lorenzo Bridge. Is somewhere in Isabela. Bakas talaga ni JC. Tutulak ko ng kasama. Halos 30. Second to the last climb according to IGP climb assist. Four kilometers, 100 meters lang naman ang gain. Last climb for today. Tumatarik pa siya. Another downhill.
What is up? Living off the edge like a barber lining up. Just another day and another dollar, bruh. I'm dialing in, just count it up. Another win, can't get enough. Watch me pivot in a clay for my love. Pisces, I live in a lake and I love it. Golden, yeah, I got the swing with the club. All in one. Well, now you need some drive, get a license. Or you get caught up downtown way too enticing.
Kasabayan daw ng Jadi. Bili muna ako ng nilagang mais. Lagagayan. Matamis. Just left the town of Jadi. So, hindi ko alam kung ito na yung first town naman ng province ng Isabela. Letter C ang start. Santiago is 20 kilometers away ba. Ganda ng kalsada dito sa Isabela. Dapat makinis. Regroup. Dito sa may bypass ng Santiago City, Isabela. Mga around 60 kilometers pa sa Rojas kung saan kami mag-i-stay. 7:30 ng gabi. Another long bridge. Last around 16 kilometers to go. 9 o'clock ng gabi. Aurora, Isabela. So around last 10 kilometers. Arrived in our place to stay here in Ramon. Rojas pala. Isabela.